This is CoreTrack. Your whole core yard on one board, updating in real time. Every hole and every stage, from drilling through to dispatch, in the office or out in the yard. When the rig advances, you update the hole right from its card. Type in the new depth, hit save, and everyone sees it straight away. No whiteboard, no radio calls, no stale numbers. Processing steps work the same way. Finish the geological log on this hole. Then the workflow takes over. Core photography switches itself on, so the whole team knows what's next the moment it's ready. Meanwhile, every one of those changes has gone into the audit trail. Who made it, what changed, and when, with the exact values before and after. And analytics turns that history into answers. Meters drilled, logged and cut, day by day, plus backlog lines that show a bottleneck forming before anyone says it out loud. CoreTrack. Set up in minutes. Free for 30 days. Get your core yard off the whiteboard at coretrack.anunova.com.